On all the skill computers and even on your home computer, you have the opportunity to install Respondus Campus. It is a tool that you can use to import tests into Blackboard. And basically, there have been some questions on in new Blackboard how to get this set up. So I'm going to go ahead and shoot you guys a video on how to do that. I went ahead and opened Respondus. And you can see here that we need to make sure that we have our current personality as Blackboard 7 to 9x, which is just x would be whatever version after 9. So that's what we're going to do. Now, the password has changed for this year, and I'm going to float this into the window. This is the password code that we have for this Respondus year. If you need that again, I'm free to email that to you. And you will have to make sure that you are running the most current version of Respondus. And the way that you can find that out is under this help. Go to About Respondus, and you need version 4.0.5.06. It was released on August 28th, 2013. So there are two different ways that you can get this installed. And even after you've installed it, there's a patch that we have to build into this class so that, or this setup so that it will talk to our new Blackboard servers. So you can check for an update under the help. This one is the latest version. You might need to update. Go ahead and follow the prompts. And then what we're going to need to do is we're also going to need to go to respondus.com in order to download that patch. From here, we want to go down to Support and Resources, Technical Support, and we want to click on Software Patches. And this is the patch that you need to download. So first you update your Respondus, and then you download your patch. We are on a campus-wide edition, so you need to click on the campus-wide. It's a binary file, save it, and then run it. So you just prompt yes, update program. So it looks this has even been updated even before when I've done it, so we're going to do it again. So I need to exit my Respondus, close my window. Okay, update program, update complete, and then I am done with installing that patch. So I can come back in, open up my Respondus. All right. So now if I come in to check about Respondus, it tells me this was last updated on September 18th, 2013. So I'm going to hit OK. Now I need to open a Respondus file. These are sample Respondus tests, and I want to pretend like I'm putting this world history test into a class. That's the whole point of Respondus, is that we can build our tests in Word. Respondus can convert them into a Blackboard compatible test. So here is my quiz, and I'm going to click on Open. And then here is all of the questions. I want to come to Publish and Preview. Whoops. And I want to publish, to Blackboard. And I come to the Publish wizard. Our old servers need to be updated to reflect our new servers. So I need to edit the settings, which means I clicked on the Edit Settings and then View and edit the current server settings. And then that pops me into this Blackboard server and course. Okay, so on the main Blackboard login page, before you log in, I want to take this URL and copy this and paste it in box number 1. In box number 2, I need to go back into Blackboard. I'm going to log into one of my classes. So I log into Blackboard. I open a class, and I'm going to take the full URL up here, and I'm going to copy this. So Control C, or you can do left click copy. I'm going to come down and I'm going to paste, Control V or right click paste, that full URL, and then I need to press the extract button. I'm going to name this newest Blackboard so I can tell that where I'm at. I need to make sure I'm still in version 7.97 to version 9. And then here's where you would add your username and password. Only use that if you are on a dedicated computer, not like a shared cubicle computer. And then you can remember this on your computer. If you are on a cubicle computer, you would uncheck that box. Okay, and then I would just click OK. This has all now been updated, so all I have to do is then choose, do I want this to go to a single course, which I do, and then I would click Next. Here are the classes that I am part of. I'm going to put this in my Humanities 101 class. And I'm going to create a new exam, and this is going to be World History. I don't need to necessarily apply random blocks or any of that fun stuff here, but it's not going to hurt me to have these checked. I don't want the link in the content area to make it available. I want to deploy it myself. And then I click Next. Okay, World History. Next. And now Blackboard is uploading this and then unpackaging it so that you can deploy it in your Blackboard shell. So those are the steps that you need to take in publishing to a Blackboard class using the new server configurations, and that will help you significantly decrease the amount of time that you spend working within your Blackboard arena. So once this is done, you will click Finish. Sometimes this will throw an error at you, and all you need to do is check in your class. You would see your test under your course tools, test surveys and pools. Here are my tests. Let's go to the last page because this is World History. And here is my test. I can then come in here and edit my questions and edit settings. So that is my test that I just uploaded from Respondus. Hopefully that should help solve any of the questions that you may be having. If not, feel free to let me know and I'll be happy to work with you.